Imagine your car breaks down and you need a repair shop right now. How do you find the best one? Old school, hours of searching. New school, AI powered local search. This tech doesn't just find any shop, it finds the fastest, highest rated, and closest shop in seconds. But here's the twist: AI learns from your preferences, predicting exactly what service you need before you say a word. Auto repair shops using AI are gaining up to 50% more customers. Crazy, right? It's like having a mechanic in your pocket. Forget endless phone calls and shady reviews. AI cuts through the noise. But wait, this isn't just convenience. It's revolutionizing trust. Imagine a world where you never worry about being ripped off again. Auto repair shops not leveraging AI, they're disappearing. So, what's next? Will your trusted mechanic be powered by AI? Or will you be left stranded on the side of the road? The future is speeding towards us fast. Are you ready to shift gears? Tell us, would you trust AI to find your next auto repair shop?